Hi there, meteorologist Robert Spetty here with you today. It is currently the 1st of August, 2014. Tropical storm Nakri, actually severe tropical storm, still bringing some gusty winds as of making this update around 1500 Japan Standard Time, but it packed a punch during the morning hours. Actually, we saw winds reported there on one of the military bases upwards of typhoon strength, gusting at 126 kilometers per hour. The Amami Islands also reported winds around 137 kilometers per hour, so a very far reach on this storm system. Tropical storm warnings still extend all the way out there towards the west and into Kyushu towards the east and even southern portions of South Korea. So that definitely is still an ongoing storm system. We are still going to be seeing that nasty weather as we look ahead through the rest of Friday. Tropical storm strength winds will continue to persist. The rain showers should taper off as we go into the late evening hours, but by Saturday, really it's going to improve out there in Okinawa and then western portions of Japan, South Korea, and even over towards eastern China. You could see as much as 100 millimeters of rainfall into the Shanghai area. But the big topic still is the recovery efforts ongoing out here in the Naha. Not so much because of the storm system, but because a lot of people were caught off guard by it. And I'm not going to talk too much on this because I know, at least right now, it seems to be a sensitive issue. And that is the fact of the big differences in the warning agencies, but also the fact that here at westernpacificweather.com we have been relaying those differences. Now, the one thing was TCFA was canceled at the same time JMA upgraded the storm to a severe tropical storm. That was about the same time these videos were shot right here, so a lot of people thought the storm was over with. Not the case. I understand JMA or JTWC's reasoning for getting rid of the storm system, but regardless, it really brought in a lot of confusion out here for a lot of people. JTWC warns for the military bases, and basically it's like they own that plot of land, and everybody that's on that base, they say the weather is like this here. Don't care about what everybody else says off the base, which I find a little bit confusing. I know they talk to them sometimes, but they still issue their own warnings. Here at westernpacificweather.com, I think we rubbed a little bit of some feathers today because we relay all the warnings. It's not just for Japan. If you're in the Philippines, we're going to relay what Bagasa is saying, and if there was military bases there, we would relay what the military bases are saying. Pretty simple as that. A lot of people getting these warnings on their phones saying there's tropical storm warnings in effect. It's a tropical storm Nakri. We're going to go ahead and relay that information. So I understand the frustration, but the thing is, westernpacificweather.com, we have never claimed to be an official agency by any means, but we will relay all the information and not be one-sided or biased on what the agencies are putting out. We'll also be very critical on them too. We have a collective team of meteorologists, and we'll call out that every agency in the Western Pacific is calling a storm system a tropical storm, while one is saying it's a large tropical depression. So, hey, it is what it is. That's what we're going to be looking at, though. Still looking at these gusty winds out here, guys. That's what we're going to continue to monitor through the next several days. It's not just this storm system, though. I do want to bring this up. We have the gusty winds, cloud cover still in effect across the southern Japanese islands, flooding possible over there towards western portions of Kyushu, but what we're going to be seeing in the forecast is another storm system, and that is down towards the southeast. You remember back on Wednesday how long it pushed across Guam? Brought some nasty weather out there. Eventually that could work over towards the southern Japanese islands. I'm going to put out another video update on that later. We're going to break down the forecast for that storm system as well. All right, stay safe out there, everybody. Thanks for watching.